What the are you destroying your mom's car? Car you destroying? This fucking car. I'll eat it. Leave these two. The vodka. I love Tingle. What?
Don't eat no more candy.
Hello? Did the observer?
No dinner. Did grandma tell you to eat dinner first and you steadily eating candy? Are you being disobedient?
No, I just asked her.
Oh, okay. Well, remember what I said?
No, I said we need to.
What did she say? She said okay? Ooh, that camera clear. Hey, hey. Here you go. Did everybody say hello? We get a picture. Say hello, everybody. There we go. Oh, there we go. Hi.
Hey, Emma. Can I talk? What? Probably. Hey.
Dad is up in there. He looking frosty. Look at him.
Hey.
Eared up.
Hi, Dad. And we got a problem.
All right, now.
These two.
We gonna do this spectacular. Dad gotta go.
Well,
Hey, I wonder where they get them at. Dad, you got any twine?
no.
Cause I'm gonna put the rest of these on. What's the other one?
Let's see.
Yeah, this kind of low key kind of pisses me off a little bit. Cause like, why would you sell these things? If somebody is not
Mel!
blow that stuff up. Like I don't like that. Cause I gotta drop these in the thing.
Little chill bugs, lightning bugs.
Ew, I don't like
No.
those. Are those little fat little red ones?
No.
No, they're just little.
No more one.
There we go.
Hey, what's wrong? Do we got a problem in here? Yes, we do. We do.
Lemmer, go run and grab it.
Problem here? Here? Yes, there is a problem. These two are screwed.
We need it
Y'all
popped off
screwed
like
up.
that.
Weird. How about you men are... Why did you get... The babers, the babers, the babers. Call the babers. Babies. Call the babers. Babers.
What type of song are you singing?
The babers.
What?
Mortgage. What? Go ahead now. You're not legal. Why are you screwing up? There's babies and babers. Babies.
You can see them now. Probably should come out. Everybody set them up at one time.
I'm gonna have to get. Now I might still grab them. I have my business partner buy them. They were like $50, but it was for one. But I know that's probably the son of a gun. So I might just buy one single one of those, and we set that off tomorrow. Cause she said they're allowed to do it for one more day. All right. I think you guys.
Like the fireworks. Like the fireworks. Sorry, that's sweet. You know us?
Yeah, fire too. We got fire too.
Everybody's You're fuck. Oh, you're far.
What's up, baby?
Why did you do that? What? Matter of fact, you guys really just should. Guys just. Did you really need to do this? Okay? This is why you guys should. You and your barky. Grandpa told me to throw it on my leg. What did you guys? You and my friend. You girl, Sam boy. You guys need to knock this off. I need to see it. Listen, my mom doesn't want me in my room. Uh-oh. What was it? Isn't that true? We were in the small forest. And I could discover something. He hit me in the forehead and my head, and when we were in the small forest, he said, "Help." She had to survive by herself or escape with someone. You help someone, you got someone out. One more, Dad. Okay, I'm the best
Is that the top or bottom? Show me that.
What happened last night? All right, you're right, telling me the truth. You did? Because remember you burned all the things on the papers.
Y'all came back.
This is baby. But yeah, cause you're fighting somebody. You are bigger than Mel. You don't know that? Dude. They're in. Right there. Leave. You gotta run! You gotta run! Nigga, fall back. They got this. For that. These. So, look. Kiss. I'm glad this is what before.
It's okay, I'm gonna wait on those.
That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you should. That's what. And these kids, hey, back. Hold the nuts. That's you that deserving that no crabbing.
That way we can get one.
Yeah.
It's lightning too slow. I need to.
I saw my pumpkin one. I want this. I hope you can help for my daddy.
Laying down, I couldn't get that.
No, you can't.
For more daddy.
I mean, they going all the way around. Huh? That way, that way, that way. Oh.
Free movie.
The daddies and
I'm not even like.
You know one thing I'm really confused about is that when it comes out,
the
there's no
screen.
pop. Like the pop comes after they come out, and it's weird.
More daddies. Okay, for more daddies. We get up for more daddies. You two going. Get busted by the fucking police, Nick. What the? I don't do that. Okay. Bro, just take the bath, like. What is it? Yes. She's on me, and it's not quite far. It's in the burn. You don't tell me. What did you have me to reply? What was that prank?